Just 4 months before my divorce papers were served, I watched a video by Barbara O'Neill, Diabetes and Weight Loss. She explained our bodies run on 2 fuel systems, glucose and ketones. The light went on. She recommended Wheat Belly by Dr. William Davis. I devoured it.
Oops, hold on. If you enjoy this content, please smash the like button. Click to subscribe now and ding the bell, so you won't miss any coming attractions. It really helps grow small channels like ours.
Dr. Davis exposed how the Rockefeller Foundation hybridized wheat in Mexico in the 1950s. They wanted to end world hunger but never checked if humans could actually process this new wheat. The result? A strain that produced heads 6 times bigger than the original. Farmers loved it. By the 1970s, there was a wheat glut. Remember Russia refusing shipments? The USDA responded with the food pyramid in 1971, pushing healthy whole grains. One video flipped the switch. One book exposed the big lie. I realized I'd been deceived by big food, big pharma, and big government, colluding to keep us fat, sick, and broke. Wheat Belly absolved me of my guilt. It wasn't my fault. I'd been following the rules and the experts, straight down the wrong path. Have you ever discovered you were lied to by people you trusted? That's when I started my rebellion, my journey to freedom from the establishment. My motivation was steeled rebellion with a dash of militancy. I wrote my own marching orders. I started a modified keto diet, inspired by Barbara O'Neill and The New Atkins for a New You by Eric Westman, less than 50 grams of carbs a day. I finished the book on Tuesday. How do I know? Because Wednesday was garbage day, and I was tossing every kind of flour, sugar, rice, potatoes, and seed oil into the trash. White death, gone. There's a weird satisfaction in cleaning house, even if it means tossing money down the drain. I eliminated carbs in stages. First fruits like bananas and apples, then anything that grew underground, carrots, beets, radishes. Next, I marched against the brassicas, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, kohlrabi, cabbage, kale. But Steve, those vegetables are healthy. They're part of a balanced diet. Here's the truth. Vegetables don't have nutrients you can't get from meat. Meat is more nutritionally dense, and its nutrients are more bioavailable. All fruits and vegetables convert to glucose in your body, sugar. Too much, and your insulin spikes, signaling your body to store fat. Healthy animal fat, on the other hand, doesn't make you fat. Any excess just passes through. Eating fat doesn't make you fat. After all that, you're left with salad greens for your 50 grams of carbs. So what do you eat with that? Meat, of course, but not just any meat. The best comes from ruminants, animals with multiple stomachs who chew cud. Beef, sheep, goats, deer, bison, moose. Their digestive process purifies nutrients and eliminates toxins, resulting in superior meat. 6 months after I started the low-carb diet, I started noticing that my cravings or sweets and carbs were dwindling, and sometimes I would not eat 3 meals a day, but maybe 2 or even 1. Enter the concept of intermittent fasting. What you do is decide on an eating window. Your eating window extends from when you have your first meal until you have your last meal of the day. Your first meal is 10 a.m. or noon, and your last meal is 4 to 6 p.m. All the time that you're not eating, you're fasting. This is just the beginning of my transformation story. The real breakthroughs, the unexpected challenges, and the life-changing discoveries are still ahead. I'm committed to bringing you fresh, engaging, and provocative content every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday by 6 a.m. Pacific Time. Bonus content will appear on odd days, so check back frequently in case you might have missed something. Your transformation journey starts with that first step. If this resonated with you, show some love with a like, subscribe for the full story, and hit that bell. Your future self will thank you. See you next time.